Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide you how to automatic shut down your system at the particular time or daily basis. So in order to achieve this, open your task Windows search bar, type there task scheduler, open that up, and once you open this, you just need to create the basic task here. Create a basic task, click on this option. You can even see this option from here. When you trigger this, right click, create basic task, name it shutdown, and you can, let's say, type 11 p.m. Next, now you need to schedule it on the daily basis or one time. So you can schedule it according to your need. Going to select one time, even you can select it daily for the particular time. Then click on next and select the date, start date, and the time. I'm going to select it at least 58 so that my system will shut down after few minutes recording of the video. Then click on next, start the program, click on next. Now argument you need to type for this shutdown, SHUTDOUN, and now in here give forward slash and type here SFT and 0, F space forward slash SFT S F, then give a space T, give a space, and now 0. So recheck it once, SFT, and hit here the OK key, next key, and just click on this option, open the task, click on finish, and you can schedule some terms and condition here. Run only when the user is logged in, or you can run this task whether the user is logged in or not. So you can select this option. You don't need to depend on the login options here. Simply it will run it. And also privilege, type your username and then click on OK. And now task is created here like this for every day. And if you want to disable it, you can simply right click it and disable it, and even you can delete it, but it should be showing up like this, and your system is going to restart daily basis on that particular time. So this is the video guys, and I hope this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. And also I can run this